Aloe vera is a succulent plant in the Liliaceae family. The leaves are filled with gel that has many health benefits. Aloe vera contains over 200 biologically active compounds, including enzymes, 18 amino acids. It is not only refreshing and delicious, but it also has many health benefits. Let's find out how to make aloe vera juice with this easy recipe. Use a sharp knife to carefully remove the skin. Rinse the aloe gel to remove some of the bitterness. Cut it into cubes. You can cut any shape you love or blend it. Rinse again to remove the jelly liquids and bitterness. Add sweetener like honey with lemon juice and mix. Limiting aloe vera juice to 30 milliliters 3 times a day can provide health benefits and minimize the potential side effects. You can drink aloe vera juice on an empty stomach or with meals. Health experts say drinking aloe vera juice on empty stomach is an effective way to lose weight, improve absorption of nutrients in your body, and ease bowel function.